Hello, I'm Martin Bama with the Bama Group Realtors, and today we are out in Chelsea, Michigan, and I'm really excited to introduce our new listing located at 811 Glazier Road to you. Now this property is located on one of the premier lots on Cavanaugh Lake. It's on the north side, so you've got these amazing panoramic views. This 3-year-old ranch includes over 5,000 square feet. We got a full finished walkout basement, 120 feet of frontage, and all kinds of fun upgrades and updates in the property. So come on, let's take a look inside the house. Fun features, and I've never seen this before, but this is a retractable central vac. And what happens is you can pull the cord out like this, you can lock it here, and then you turn it on. And then the best part is to get rid of it, you just go like this, it disappears into the wall. On the second floor, we've got the cupola looking over the lake. This is an amazing little office space which gives you a commanding view of the lake. It's got a metal ceiling, vaulted ceiling. It's got a really unique medallion, wood medallion in the floor, which tells you what direction you're looking. And it's got a deck surrounding the entire cupola for amazing views. So here we have one of the most amazing outdoor entertaining spaces. We have a huge patio area here. We've got several sitting areas, and the beauty of this is that as you're sitting entertaining your friends, you've got a panoramic view of the lake here. This has been wired for a hot tub over here. Over here to our right, we have another seating area, and then further here off to the right, we have a fire pit where you can enjoy your summer evenings.